Hello guys, Singing Toys and More here, and today I have this unknown company singing Flying Bird. Now this thing was sold at a supermarket. I can't remember the name right now, but it was a very old supermarket and it shut down. This is very cool. It's got a multicolored beak there, two bulged out eyes. His goggles that he wears on his eyes. Be cool if he does actually go over his eyes, but it doesn't. He's also got his cap that you wear for flying. I mean that pilots wear for flying. There's his tail tag. Right there, yeah. And his feet. And he's also got this bandana. And I think these are two balloons, but I don't know for sure. But without further ado, I'll show this guy to you. Okay, I will show that to you again because it's quite a short activation. When we first got this, we didn't actually know what it was supposed to do. Didn't know it was supposed to rock back and forth and sway from side to side and all that. Thought it was just a static toy, but turns out it actually moves. But so my dad had to repair that. But anyway, guys, that's gonna be it for this video. Hope you enjoyed. Subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. This is Singing Toys and More, and I'm out. Bye.